Okay, to solve this question, we need to find out what is the current that is flowing out from the cell. Okay, so before that, we need to find the total voltage, which is 2 plus 2, because these two cells that are connected in series, so it becomes 4 volts. And the total resistance, we have two resistors in parallel, so we use the formula 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. That will give us 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, and 1 over RT we get 1, and RT it will be 1 ohm. Okay, and the current that flows out from the battery, it will be I is equal to V over R. That will give us 4 divided by 1, which is 4 ampere. So we can conclude that A1 is 4 ampere, A3 is also 4 ampere. And when the 4 ampere comes into the parallel branch, because the resistor, they have the same value, it will be splitted up equally, so A2 should be 2 ampere. So the answer should be 4, 2, 4. D. Okay, to find the power produced in the resistor, we can use the formula P is equal to V square over R, and it will be 8 square divided by 12, and we should have about 5.3 watts. So answer is C. Okay, for this question, right, we'll evaluate the 5 possible events. Okay, we start with the last two first. When the live wire touches either the neutral or the earth wire, it will cause a short circuit. And when a short circuit happens, the current will bypass all the resistance, and it will result in a large surge of current. So this will definitely blow the fuse. Okay, when a person touches the earth wire and the neutral wire, basically these two wires, they are at 0 volt potential. So for the first two events, nothing will happen. Okay, and for the third event, right, when a person touches the live wire, okay, we can calculate what is the current that will flow through the person. I is equal to V over R. Voltage in Singapore is about 240 volts divided by the resistance of a person. Resistance of dry skin is about 100 kilo ohm. Okay, so there's only 0.0024 ampere of current flowing through the person, so it will not cause the fuse to blow. So in this case, there's only 2 events, okay, that will cause the 3 ampere fuse to blow. So answer is E. Okay, we have 2 wires that are carrying current into the plane of the paper. So let us draw the circular magnetic field of these 2 wires. The current is going in. Using our right hand grid rule, the thumb should point inwards, and then the finger will show the direction of the magnetic field. So this is a clockwise magnetic field, and this is also a clockwise magnetic field. So what will happen at the center is that the magnetic field will oppose each other, so they will cancel out, and it will result in a magnetic field of the shape of a figure of 8. Okay, so in this case, we see that the magnetic field in the center is weak, and the magnetic field at the side, they are strong, so it will cause a force of attraction. So it will cause Q to move in the direction of D. Okay, this diagram shows a simple DC motor. So Which part needs to be made of soft iron to increase the efficiency of the motor? So in this case, A needs to be made of soft iron so that it can concentrate all the magnetic field lines that is given out by the magnet.